Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can post your story.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Please log into your account if you have not already. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, scroll until you can find Add to My Story. After that, click a snap. And now tap on the My Story option. Again, tap on the arrow button to confirm your action. And that's it guys, this is how you can add a story to your Snapchat account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.